How to remove Instagram account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can remove Instagram account from another phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To remove Instagram account from another phone, open up the Instagram application. Then tap the profile icon from the bottom right. Tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then go to the option called Account Center. From Account Center, simply go to the option called Password and Security. And then the first way you can remove someone from Instagram account is by simply changing your password. So you can choose to change your password and anyone who is logged into your account will get automatically logged out. Or the other way you can do this is by simply going to the where you are logged in tab over here. And after you do that, you will be able to see a list of devices where you're currently logged in. After you select your Instagram account, then you will get successfully logged out. That's all it takes to remove Instagram account from another phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.